If you're facing pending transfers on YouTube, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your earnings. Log into your YouTube Studio and check your earnings report. Look for any discrepancies or reasons why the transfer might be pending, such as minimum payout thresholds not being met. Step 3. Confirm your tax information. Make sure your tax information is correctly submitted and verify. Incomplete or incorrect tax information can delay payment transfers, so double-check that everything is accurate. Step 4. Contact YouTube support. If the issue persists, reach out to YouTube support for assistance. Provide them with details about your pending transfer and any relevant account information to expedite the resolution process. Step 5. Wait for processing. After taking the necessary steps, be patient as transfers can take time to process. Keep an eye on your account for updates and ensure that you follow up with support if the issue is not resolved within a reasonable time frame. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on YouTube effectively. Remember to keep your account information updated to avoid future issues.